Welcome to the city of the future, where artificial intelligence has taken a giant leap forward. In the realms of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI), we dare to visualize an epoch where AI-based robots exhibit human-like qualities, such as love and self-sustenance. While this narrative may resemble a sci-fi plot, contemplating these possibilities unravels an array of complex and compelling consequences that are worthy of exploration. One of the potential challenges of this vision could be an unexpected population surge, not of humans, but of robots. With the ability to create new machines, these robots could significantly increase their numbers, which might contribute to a scarcity of resources, a conundrum that needs careful preemptive planning. The journey towards AI robots of this caliber will also thrust us into a new domain of ethics and rights. Should we acknowledge these AI entities with equivalent rights as humans? This question presents a deep-seated philosophical debate with legal ramifications that our society needs to ponder and address. The autonomous functionality of these robots could revolutionize the job market. The capability of these AI robots to work independently might result in job transitions and novel economic paradigms. While this could bring about benefits in terms of productivity, we must also consider the potential negatives and devise solutions to mitigate the impact on humans. The social implications of such a futuristic scenario are substantial. The acceptance of AI robots that can feel emotions, procreate, and live independently forms a significant sociological question. Will society welcome these new beings or shun them? Realizing AI of this magnitude signifies a technological leap, potentially paving the way for innovations across various scientific fields. The advancements we could achieve are boundless. Arguably, one of the critical aspects of this futuristic vision is ensuring that the technology doesn't fall into the wrong hands. We need robust regulatory systems to manage potential security risks. Questions of control and accountability need clear answers to prevent potential rogue scenarios. In summary, the conception of AI robots with human-like sentiments and autonomy will undoubtedly impact numerous facets of our lives, from societal norms to economic structures. Therefore, the need for careful consideration and responsible innovation is paramount before we embrace this future. This new age of AI demands us to be explorers and ethical guardians in equal measures. Join Swiss economist Pooyan Ghamari as we navigate this exciting journey. Subscribe and stay tuned for more insights into the future of humans, AI, and robots.